In this video, we are going to discuss about three black crows. Three black crows is the exactly opposite to the three white soldier. Three white soldier representing the bullishness in the market, same as three black crows representing selling in the market. Now, if you check the pattern here, you will get to know that the three continuous candles is forming below one of previous one, like one after one. First candle, second candle, and third candle. The same logic apply here. We just need to mark the middle of the each and every candle and just check that the next candle will be open below that one, right? Just I am marking in the this image, like middle. Now it's opened at this one. Second candle, just mark middle, then this opened at third candle is opened at below this one. Now how to make entry? As I said, just mark the low of this candle and make an entry at the lower point and put stop loss at middle of second candle as a safe side. If you have risk capacity, then I will suggest put stop loss here up above the first candle. That's not an issue. Now this is a very simple and straightforward example because you already know what is meant by three white soldier. That's why you are easily able to understand what is meant by three black crows. So it does not make any sense to extend this video too much. So let's tightly focus on the real world examples. Let me show you the real and exact chart where we can find out this type of pattern. I already shortlisted pattern for you. If you check here, the first candle, second candle, and third candle, both are exactly opening the middle of each other, right? Just mark middle, just mark the middle of the candle, middle of each other. Just mark the low of the third candle, make an entry here, put stop loss here. Then if you observe, you will get enough profit in the sense you will get the lots of fall because it's a three black crows. Again check, if you want, again we can check the another example for the three black crows. Here is one more example. First candle, second candle, third candle. Is it satisfying our rules? Yes, obviously it is satisfying our rules. How to make entry? Make entry at this point, put stop loss here. That's it. You will get enough money. Like in the trading, if you have the good money management and good expectation, you will really get good money. That's not an issue. Okay, so this is for the three black crows. Hope you got my point. Again, this is also 1 2 3 three white, three black crows. But why I'm not comfortable with, as I said earlier, rules are rules. Just mark middle, but it's always crossing the middle, so there is somehow buying pressure will be there. But instead of taking risk, always check that each and every candle is opening below the previous middle candle, middle part. Hope you understand this three black crow section as well. See you in next video. Thanks.